We have a wedding today, and today has been a day. I'm the director at an event space, and I love showing you what people do. Even if you're throwing the smallest house party, I still think you can get inspiration for your event from any event. So I mentioned it's been a day. I had back-to-back site tour appointments, but in the midst of that, there was wedding chaos a little bit. But when I walked in, it was immediate. The bride did the table numbers wrong and the head count wrong, and it was just so crazy trying to figure it out. So we had 18 tables set in the room. Her seating chart only has 17 tables, so we had one extra table. However, she forgot seating for her wedding party, 12 people. So we had an extra table, but we needed an extra table, and we rented floor-length linen, so I can't go in the back and grab that. So we figured it out. We added a table somewhere, used house linen, but it looks good. You can't even tell, but we made it work. So let me show you what they did. Tablescape. They did tall little centerpieces, but they're also utilizing our house centerpiece that will have floating candles in there later. They added a runner to the floor-length linen that came with their outside catering package, and they have these cute little favors that are bottle openers and magnets, and a cute little welcome and thank you, and then a little candle. And they added a white dance floor, which not everyone adds a dance floor because we have wood floors. And, if you don't want to do the rental of a dance floor, you don't have to when you have wood floors. So it depends on if you're on a budget or not, whether you do it, but I think it looks really good. And in showing you the dance floor, it kind of gave you a sneak peek of the little sweetheart table. Loving the Mr. and the Mrs. Adorable. And then here is the cake. I'm not sure if they're adding anything to this, but I want to eat it. We got a ceremony starting in like 10 minutes. I went and I grabbed my car so that I could drive over to the ceremony site because it's quite the walk over there. And then as I was grabbing my car, I came over here. I saw people walking. They're not in the right space. So I grabbed our limo golf cart, said, get on, and I took them to the ceremony site. Now I'm back over here, and I'm finally going to show you the entrance. After the ceremony that's over there, we have a patio entrance tonight. Loving this welcome sign, very cute. I had a site tour earlier today that took a picture of it because they loved it. And we're gonna just walk down this way. They have a couple pictures, and then they go all the way down and around. Ooh, what's that? Oh, it's the couple as kids and then them together. Oh, this is the sweetest thing to see on the way to cocktail hour. Love, love, love. Have fun getting married. I just drove down to the ceremony, and there is the groom and everybody, and then we got the bride on a golf cart, as you just saw. We're like 12 minutes behind schedule. Hey, look at these little, instead of normal bouquets, they did these little flower purses. How cute are these? Oh my gosh, it's a little baby. Okay, oh yeah. They were saying push him into the grass, and here's extra for you guys. Hello, babies. Okay, I was trying to give you guys a little sneak peek, and then I got put on a duty. So here is the ceremony site. We have a little welcome table, fans, little umbrellas, but it's shaded over so nicely. And if you notice, and if you know, you know, there's no gazebo now. What do you think? That's amazing. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Oh, we got a little drone action happening. Love this. Oh, he's so shy to walk down the aisle. Oh, poor thing. Such pretty little dresses.
Now hear your name, put a smile up on my face. It don't matter.
Oh, I didn't notice. They did little advice and wishes. It's so cute.
I'll salute your bride.
I love it so much. They're so cute. All right. Ceremony's over. Everyone's going to cocktail hour, but I just wanted to show you. Got people around. I just want to show you they added little twinkle lights to the walkway. We couldn't see it earlier because it was so light out, but it's really, really fun. We've got a little champagne welcome happening right now. We are back at the ceremony site because they need the Mr. and Mrs. for their cake table. So I said, I'll go grab it real quick. Here we are in the dark. It's kind of spooky. And the Mr. and Mrs. is where it should be. Ooh, we got the girls practicing. I love it, love it, love it. Yes. Take a look at this cheese spread. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. And then I don't think I gave these throne chairs enough attention earlier. These are so cute. They're like a little dainty kind of. I don't know, they're fun. Okay, we got up lights going now. Just wanted to kind of show you the vibe of the room. They're about to come in from cocktail hour to have dinner. And that is it for me. They're gonna go have some fun. I'm gonna go have some dinner. I'll see you at the next event.